Hello friend, welcome back. So in today's video I will show you and teach you how to cover finger holes correctly. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this, and also you can check my previous video about how to hold your flute correctly, and after that you can continue with this video. So let's get started. So lot of beginners, they struggle when they try to cover finger holes on flute. Okay, they use various ways to cover finger holes, but there are two main style that you can use to cover finger holes. The first style is Panala Josh style, and the second style is Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia style. So let's talk about Panala Josh style. In that style, we use our fingertips to cover finger holes. In both hands, we use fingertips to cover finger holes like this. Okay, so this is the way of Panala Josh style and the cover holes just like this. So let's talk about Hariprasad Chaurasia style. In that style, we use our finger pads of index and middle finger and the fingertip of ring finger. In both hands, we use finger pads of index and middle finger and the fingertip of ring finger. So this is the way how you hold and cover the finger holes using Hariprasad Chaurasia style. Okay, so this is the way of Panala Josh style, and this is the way of Hariprasad Chaurasia style. So you can choose one style from this style to cover finger holes, just the comfortable way. Choose mostly comfortable way to you and just practice to cover finger holes like this. Okay, you can choose Panala Josh style or Hariprasad Chaurasia style. Just choose one and then try to cover finger holes perfectly, because you need to cover these finger holes to get clear sound when you play. So just before you try to get any sound from your flute, just practice to cover finger holes like this. When you perfect with covering finger holes, you can play like that. So you can choose any style from both styles and just practice. And let me tell you one thing, if your hands so small and your fingers are too short, you can choose Hariprasad Chaurasia style to cover finger holes like this. My hands are too short and fingers are too small to cover finger holes, so I choose Hariprasad Chaurasia style to cover finger holes, because I also play larger flute than double G flute like G bass, so I cannot cover finger holes using Panala Josh style. It's not comfortable with me, so I choose Hariprasad Chaurasia style so I can comfortably close these finger holes like this. Like that. So you also can choose any style from that two styles and just practice. As I told you, without making any sound, just hold your flute anyway and like this or like this. Just try to cover these finger holes without looking at it. Just feel the finger holes. Just let your fingers to feel the holes, finger holes, and just close your eyes and just feel these holes just comfortably. When you comfortably with finger holes, you can start playing. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and if you learned something, don't forget to comment, and if you have any questions about anything, you can comment. I will give you answers if I know. So let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, try to practice hard, don't give up, because this is not an easy journey. So if you want to be a good flute player, you need to practice day by day. So let's meet in another video. Until that, bye bye.